Now, I've already solved problem 4.19 from Brigham and Houston's Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise Ninth Edition. I've already solved this in one of the prior videos. And I mentioned at the end of that video that you can actually use solver to solve for the answer. We know the right answer is 239,250. What I'm going to do is reconfigure all of this. And then I'm going to actually go through here and solve for the increase using the solver function. All right, and the solver function in Excel has to be installed, but that's it up here. It's a utility that goes through and solves algebra problems and some actually really complex problems if you know how to set it up by simply iterating through and let the computer do the work. Now, I know that the increase in inventory and in current assets is going to be the same as the increase in current liabilities. It's given in the problem. They're going to raise current notes payable, which is a current liability, and invest some money in inventory, which is a current asset. And they're going to do that up until the point where the ratio of the current assets to current liabilities is 2. Okay, so using solver, what I can do is tell Excel, if I started putting in numbers, let's say I put in 100 or 100,000. I could see, well, that would reduce I could keep doing this until I came up with an answer. But the easier way is to let Excel do that exact same thing. It works at the speed of light. I work at the speed of Mike. Opening up Solver, I can set an objective, and the objective is to have that cell, which is calculating the current ratio for my future stuff, exactly equal to a value of 2 by changing this cell, and that cell is the amount of the increase, which is then added over here into column E. Alright, since I don't have any other complicated things in here, I just tell it to go, and solver has found a solution. All constraints are fixed. And it came up with the same answer it came up with on the page where I manually solved it. But it's just a simple shortcut. So if you, Stuart, can you give me a minute? So if you go through there and use some of the Excel tools that God gave you, it can actually speed up your calculations.